Hello, this is TONGGAYI RIMAI, Department of Mass Communication. Over the past few weeks, relentless rains have unleashed widespread flooding, causing damage to more than 35,000 homes and affecting more than 164,000 people. As river overflowed and embankments gave way. Today we're here to hear what the people of Imphal has to say about how the flood has impacted their lives and what they feel needs to be done about the flood. Hello, if you don't mind, can I ask you a few questions regarding the recent floods in Manipur?
Yeah, sure.
Do you or your family were they personally affected by the recent floods?
No, they weren't affected. I'm not personally affected by the recent flood.
Personally the effect of the
Personally, the effect of it.
Do you think the local authorities or government took effective measures? If so, why or why not?
I think the government and local people take effective measures during the flood. They react in a fast way.
ising isaw se tawra matungda immediate response ti tawi but tawriba response di evacuation gumba adu mane ba tawdabu makha tana tholak ba yam systematic oiba kanu di tawde
Response yam kanna thuna phangibadi oide haidi yam ka hena extreme oina sogla kanda aduda phangbada adu oi
अखोई लोकेलिटी दी कनो तौगिदम इफेक्ट तौगिदम ना दुगी ऑब्जर्वेशन दे उगिति रेस्पॉन्स से कया थुनदी तौबिरखिदब माले
सरकारनदी कया उद्रे दो खोगी आरामबा इसिनाउसिंगनदी दुम लखखिबदे खर वाना वनबदी adum ui.
In the future, to prevent floods, what preventionary measures do you think should be taken?
Say by taking up action at the moment is not good. So before the flood comes, before the rainy season comes, we have to spread awareness and we also need to give proper cleaning of the rivers and proper drainage system.
government gi side ta hairaga na thaba ma tong tamda even drain jam ma tang oiro khitang hana yam systematic oiba planning amma sinaga yam strategic oiba pota phajana gano thon ba
river bank se kitang wang na thongkat piba guma smaina siguma har tawhani
like in developed countries it always happens, so rescue team gumba adu gumba da hena thugatpa and then katare mai laktaba khotaba kar adugi kano da rescue camp to judum mai pibi ba khotpa adu moina kano to ram faning khal aina la khotha haning base mainly khoi ashoi base urban housing mong lakpa shida irong khonglam nala drainage system je phajana pibi da ba drainage system je phajana pibi raga di sumaina flooding tholoi haina thamjaning
Toren khongwan sida kai tauri kholi habasi moina section thoran khang lobiragadi ising chawko matamda dum chawdana ta su anamba lei.
From loss and frustration to hope and resilience, the voices we heard today reflects both the challenges and expectations of people affected by the recent floods in Manipur. As Manipur continues to recover, it becomes clear that stronger infrastructure, quicker response and community involvement are more important than ever. This is TONGGAYI RIMAI, Mass Comm, Manipur University.